In this video we will show you how to check and replace main switch of ultrasonic machine. First you will have to remove back cover of your machine. Note down connections given to the main switch. Now remove connections and main switch as shown. Check continuity of switch in on and off condition. If it does not show continuity, then it means that switch is not working. Now replace switch with new one provided by Doit Impex. Reconnect all wires as shown in video. If you are watching this video on Facebook, like the page, and if you are watching it on YouTube, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.